I hope you have your cup of chai with you because that's the best way to watch this video because chai is just love, my friends. Chai is love. Alright, so today we're talking about TWS earbuds, especially gaming TWS earbuds. Now, gaming earbuds are the ones which have very low latency because you need to hear each and every sound without latency while you're gaming. For example, if you're playing a battle royale game, you need to hear the footsteps, the gunshots and everything. And if the sound comes late, like if there is latency, then that is going to affect your gameplay. Hence, the main feature to look out for while buying a gaming TWS earbud is latency. The product needs to have low latency. Now, today in this video, we are talking about the top 3 TWS gaming earbuds which come under a price of rupees 1500 only. So let's get to them one by one. First up, we have the Boat Immortal 131. These are my favorite gaming earbuds under rupees 1500. They come with a lot of useful features. First up, obviously, is super low latency. They have this feature called as Beast Mode, wherein the latency is just 40 milliseconds, which gives a very good experience while gaming. So you can clearly hear gunshots, footsteps, and other sounds while you play your games. And I did try these out with a couple of games, and the experience was very good. Now, while playing a game in a team with your friends, one most important thing is mic. You need to have clear-cut communication, and these earbuds are very good in terms of the mic as well. They have this technology called as ENX, which will basically cancel out the surrounding noise while you're talking using these earbuds. So this is a very quick mic test with the Boat Immortal 131. As you can hear, the microphone quality is very clear. So when you're gaming, your friends will hear you clearly, and that way you can make your game plan and win your game easily as well. So yeah, the microphone quality is great on these pair of earbuds and very good for gaming. Battery life is also very important. So the Boat Immortal 131 comes with a battery life of up to 40 hours. This is with the case and earbuds. I tested out the battery, and in my testing period, it was amazing. I was getting somewhere around 36 to 37 hours of battery life, which is very impressive to be honest. Apart from that, you get IP64 water resistance, Bluetooth 5.3 and very good sound quality as well. The sound is bass heavy and exactly what us Indians prefer. I really like the sound quality, especially for the price of these earbuds. And yeah, you get RGB lighting on the earbuds, which looks dope in my opinion and gives a very gamer vibe. Overall, Boat Immortal 131 is a great choice if you are looking for a pair of gaming TWS earbuds under 1500 rupees. Moving on, at number 2, we have the Petron Bass Buds Jade. So these are also a pair of TWS earbuds which are meant for gaming, and they have super low latency as well. So again, here we have 40 milliseconds low latency. I tried it out with a couple of games and the experience was good. But if I compare it with the Boat Immortal 131 in terms of latency, the Boat one has a better experience. Now, what about battery life? The Petron Bass Buds Jade have a battery life of up to 40 hours, and in my testing period, I got somewhere about 35 hours of battery life, which is good battery life in my opinion. The sound quality is also decent on these pair of earbuds. Again, it's a bass heavy sound. So latency is good, battery life is good, sound quality is good, but the microphone quality is not that good. Let's have a listen in the test. This is a very quick microphone test with the Petron Bass Buds Jade. Now you guys let me know about the microphone quality in the comment section down below. And this is the mic test. This gets me to number 3, and here we have the Mivi Commando Q9. These are also gaming TWS earbuds, and let's talk about the features. First up, we have latency. You get 35 milliseconds of super low latency. Again, I tried out these earbuds with some games and the experience was really good. You also get RGB lighting, which looks very cool in my opinion, and again gives a very gamer vibe. Now, Mivi claims that the battery life on these earbuds is up to 50 hours, but in my testing period, I got somewhere around 38 to 39 hours only. So the 50 hours claim is a huge one. What about the sound quality? Well, sound quality is decent on these earbuds. I would not say that the sound quality is very good. It's decent. Now, this is a very quick mic test with the Mivi Commando Q9. I feel that the microphone quality is good on these pair of earbuds. You guys let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. But as far as gameplay goes, I feel that the microphone quality is good on these earbuds. Apart from that, you also get IPX4 and Bluetooth 5.3 with these earbuds. So these were the top 3 gaming TWS earbuds under rupees 1500, and if you ask my pick, it is going to be the Boat Immortal 131 because it gives the best price to performance ratio. If you want to buy these earbuds, the links will be available in the description box below, so definitely check them out. So that's been it. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, then make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.